is Portia here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your post bell notification so you don't miss any of my content. But yes, welcome. It's Portia here, and we're gonna go ahead and jump right into today's video. So I recently did some online shopping with one of my favorite sites, which is Dollar Tree. Yes, I love Dollar Tree. And guess what? I was able to pick up a lot of affordable, cool items. And on top of that, what made my online shopping experience so great was that I was able to get cash back, earn cash back, save money while shopping online. So I'm going to share with you some tips on how you can do the same of getting cash back and saving money while online shopping as well. So make sure you watch until the end of this video to learn all of those great tips as well. So we're going to go ahead and jump into it. Be sure to thumbs up, drop some comments, share, subscribe, and let's get into it. So yes, that was a quick recap of my mini haul from my online shopping experience with Dollar Tree. And, you know, I mentioned earlier that I was able to get cash back and save money while I was shopping online. And guess what? You can do the same too as well while you're online shopping through different retailers and merchants. And you're probably wondering like, well, how can I get cash back and save money while online shopping? And I'm going to tell you how. You can do so through GoCashback.com. And you may ask like, well, what is GoCashback.com? GoCashback.com is the fastest growing cashback website that allows shoppers to receive like up to 31% cash back at some of your favorite stores. And now it is very easy, very simple to sign up on GoCashback.com. All you have to do is use my special sign up link, which will be linked down below in the description box as well as the comments and on screen. You use that sign up link and guess what? Come a little closer, my friends. Come a little closer. You will receive a special registration $8 sign up bonus. That's right. So you sign up today using my special link and you will receive an $8 bonus. And so, you know, right now, we're going to dive a little bit more into what GoCashback.com is. Going to give you a little bit more 401, you know, spill some tea on it in 5, 4, 3, 2, GoCashback.com helps shoppers save money while online shopping. There are so many stores and retailers available to choose from. You can even shop by category ranging from beauty, apparel, health, travel, sports, food, and so much more. GoCashback.com has cooperation from merchants such as Walmart, HelloFresh, Home Depot, Hulu, Hilton Hotels, Sephora, Sam's Club, Applebee's, Bed Bath & Beyond, Nike, and so many more. And get this, right now, merchants like Michael Kors, they're offering up to 7% cash back. And also, GoCashback is now offering offline cashback for new users if you download the GoCashback app, which means 100% cashback for Starbucks, Whole Foods, and so much more. And there are so many perks to using GoCashback.com. For instance, shoppers can use cashback simultaneously with merchants' discount codes. And also, GoCashback.com offers monthly giveaway events to users, including skincare products and luxury products like Alexander Wang handbags. And once you sign up on GoCashback.com, be sure to download the GoCashback Google Chrome extension, which will automatically activate cashback earnings for you even when you don't realize it. And so you may be wondering, like, I'm shopping online, I have everything set up, how will I receive my cashback earnings? And don't worry, GoCashback.com offers several secure payout options through PayPal, HeliPay, check, and gift cards with discount. Like, wow, like, did you guys catch all of that? It's so many amazing deals and offerings available through GoCashback.com. Like, I truly love it. It takes your online shopping experience to new heights. It's truly a game changer. And like, I promise you don't want to miss any of these amazing opportunities and offerings available constantly on GoCashback.com. So be sure to sign up now and earn an $8 bonus using my special link, which will be down below in the description box as well as the comments. But yes, remember to get cash back now. Go cashback every day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to thumbs up this video, drop some comments, share, subscribe, and happy shopping.